What I have here is 3 different tapes. What you don't see is my packing tape, but the first one is Scotch tape. So what's used with the Scotch tape is taping down, simple things like paper or, in my case, taping over sticker price tags on shoes that I purchased from stores and plan to return. I get into that more in my next How Do I video. But as you can see, Scotch tape is very thin. I mean, we all use it for like home, office, gifts, all of that. So it is another necessity for your kit. And next, we have painter's tape. And yes, it's used by painters to paint, but for me, it's also used for taping shoes as an added layer of protection. As you can see, and if you've never used painter's tape before, it's like paper and it doesn't stick that well. And also, it's bendable. You can just easily tear it off, which again is why it's only an added layer of protection for the shoe and not just used by itself. And again, I get into that video next. Lastly, we have good old gaffer's tape. Now, gaffer's tape is a little more pricier to purchase, but it's very long lasting. It's typically used by production on set for like the thick cords in their equipment, but in my case, I have it in my kit for again an added layer of protection on the shoes. It is very thick and very heavy duty, and as you can see, it is super sticky. So you don't want to ever put this on a shoe by itself. Again, we're going to get into that later. But these are necessities to have in my kit to tape shoes. You can get these at the link Shop What's in My Kit on my channel. Be sure to subscribe and like for more.